Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my budget with me of the last paycheck in August. So let me get my cash planning sheet here. I have not filled out, normally I have this already pre-filled out, but I have not done it today. Let me get my pen here. This is gonna be a cash stuffing, again, like I said, for the last week of August in the amount of $674. And it's going to be a little bit different than my others because I'm not going to really fill everything. I know for my wallet, let's see, I only want to fill my gas envelope and my groceries. Let's see what I have there. So I have my wallet here. Sorry guys, it is a mess. Let's see, I do have some money in my gas envelope, which I have to remove that and put it into my bills binder in my Shell envelope because I did put gas on the card. So that will be, I'm gonna put $60 for myself for this week. And then groceries, I have 10, but I'm gonna do my normal 75. I might put this in my personal binder in the groceries envelope for like a buffer, or I might just use it for savings challenges. I'll kind of see and decide what I want to do. Eating still has $10, so I'm good there. Spending, I spent my money, but I'm not gonna refill that one up today. Let's see, for miscellaneous, I still have my 5, so I think I'll leave that there. And that'll be it for my binder. For my wallet. Now my bills binder, I do want to do, of course, the rent, which is $215. Let me get my binder. So in this one, again, I'm just doing the rent. I am doing T-Mobile as well. Doing 25, and then these two will be ready to be removed to make its payment. Let's see, I do want to come to the back here. Here's that Shell envelope that I will be removing the cash from my wallet to make a payment towards my credit card. Let's see here, SeaWorld. I will make, Easy Pass. I do want to put some money in my Easy Pass. I'm going to have to bump this up on my next pay period, but I'm going to only put $5 today. For renewal, let's see how much I have in here. I do have to take out $20 for my cosmetology license, which I just paid on my credit card. And then my medical assistant license is coming up in September. That's 65, so I think I'm gonna have to put 15 to make the 65. Yeah, I'll do that. And that'll be it for this binder. Okay, I'm gonna come to my high priority, and there's only a few that I want to do here. Hold on a second, let me see here. Let me get my calculator as well, just so I don't go over. So I have 674 minus 60 minus 75, 215, 25, and 5 and 15. So I have 279. Okay, so definitely I want to put something in car maintenance, and that's gonna be, for right now, I'm just gonna put 15. I have 51 in here. Guys, I did have to buy some new tires, so yeah, I'm gonna have to, I don't know, I'm gonna have to save more money to pay myself back on that, or pay the credit card. My next one that I'm gonna do is, I think it's just in the back. I'm gonna do my miscellaneous. then again, I'm only gonna do $5 here just to color one more icon here. I'm trying to complete this $200 savings challenge that I have there. Oops, that just fell through. Okay. Sorry guys, give me 1 second. I can get it there. Okay, there. All right, so that'll complete that. Let's see. I want to do my savings challenges. I want to try and complete some. So let's do the chocolate box. I want to do 50 on there because I'm almost done with that one. Let's see what else. I normally do my savings challenges, my 1 month ahead. Okay, so we're gonna do, did I deduct this amount? I don't remember. Let me just try again. Okay, 259, take away the 50. 1 month ahead gets $33. Group play. And let's see, sorry guys, I need to turn it a little bit. I know my Tiny Tuesdays normally gets 20. And then my Freebie Fridays gets 35 this week. Let's see. Okay. I'm trying to think. Group play, I want to do, let's do $30. And then 91 for my savings challenge. Yes. Okay. So guys, that'll bring me to a zero-based balance there. Let's do the fun part. The fun part is just selecting the denominations that I want to get from the bank. So I will start with gas. I will do, let's see, 20, 40, 50, and 60, and then 20, 40, 60, 75. Okay. These are pretty simple here. Okay. Okay, these are the hard ones. Okay, so definitely this is 35. This is 20. This is 33. I think I'm gonna try 10. Okay, meaning 2 5s. 50, how do I want the 50? Let's see, this is for the chocolate box. 20, 30, 40. I'll do it this way, 50. Okay, all right, let's see, 20, 30, 40, 50, yes. And then 91. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85. Okay, I think I'll do it that way. Hopefully that works. Let me get my calculator back again. So we will do 2, so that's 200. We will do 20s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 20. 180, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that'll be 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 80. And then let's do our ones. 35, 20, 20, 33, and 6. 114. Let's see if that adds up. 200, 180, 180, and 114. Yep, 674, guys. I did it this time. How exciting. I matched it up. All right. So that will complete my budget with me video, and we do have 674. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.